Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to clean bathroom tiles from soap and limescale deposits. I have very hot water, so this is what the tiles above my bathtub look like. Soak a damp sponge in the cleaning solution and use the soft side to clean the entire tiles. After 15 minutes, you can remove the paper towels and clean the tiles with a soft sponge. All plaque will be cleaned perfectly. Please also note that there are different types of tiles. I have ceramic tiles and this cleaning method is suitable for them. If you have cement tiles or natural stone tiles, you cannot clean them this way. This is how you can easily clean your bathroom tiles and grout from soap and limescale deposits. I hope the tiles in your bathroom will also become perfectly clean. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.